Hello, I'm going to show you how to whitewash a brick fireplace today. So the first step is to clean off the brick completely. I used a wire brush and TPS solution yesterday. I've allowed it to dry. Then this morning what I did was taped off the brick and I spray painted the insert with a high heat resistant paint. Alright, so I've taped off all the areas I don't want white paint on. That would include the mantle, the insert, and the base of the floor here. The paint, I did a little test area, but now I'm going to actually show you how to do this. Because I want a little bit showing through, I'm just going to paint the brick and I'm going to make sure to get into all the little grooves here. There's no going back now. Again, it's a little bit, it's kind of soupy. And again, that's only because I want to wipe some of this off so that a little bit of the red shows through. Okay, so now I'm going to take a rag and wipe it just on the brick part, so that it's not a solid white. And then you'll see you kind of get a cool texture to it, which I think is going to work well for me. And here's the finished product. I'm so happy with the results of this project. Remember, if you don't want to whitewash, just don't water down the paint. Use your solid exterior paint using a plush roller so that you get the right coverage. Hopefully you found this helpful, and thank you so much for watching.